A lot of dudes these days spend crazy amounts of money on skincare and hair care products when you're probably not realizing there is a natural product that can do everything you need. It's castor oil. Look, I've been keeping this to myself for a while, but today I'm going to show you 7 castor oil tricks that will change your life. Now, before we even get started, you need to pick the right castor oil or none of this will work. You might not know this, but there's 2 types. You have cold pressed castor oil and Jamaican black pressed castor oil. For what I'm gonna show you today, you need to buy cold pressed castor oil. It's the cheapest version and it's lighter, meaning it holds more nutrients. Now that you understand that, let's get started with number 1. I want you to use castor oil as a lip exfoliator. To get soft lips, stop using lip balm. Instead, use a natural exfoliant made from castor oil. You see, scientists have found that the amount of contrast that you have in your facial features will elevate your attractiveness. And one of the quickest areas on your face to enhance color contrast on your face, it's your lips. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this with castor oil. First, grab 1 teaspoon of castor oil and place it in a bowl. Next, mix in a pinch of sea salt or brown sugar. This is gonna help exfoliate the lips, remove dead skin, which will bring out that natural redness in your lips. Then, you're gonna apply that mixture on your lips with small counterclockwise movements. The castor oil, combined with the massage, is gonna stimulate blood circulation, enhancing the natural color of your lips, all of which just enhances your facial appearance and makes you more attractive. You do this, and you're gonna see immediate improvements day 1 using castor oil. But here's the best part about castor oil. It doesn't stop there. As a matter of fact, there's 6 more tricks you can do with castor oil that's gonna elevate your appearance. This takes me to number 2. Castor oil can make your fragrances last longer. It doesn't matter if you're using expensive or cheap colognes. If you apply your fragrance on dry skin, that fragrance will be weaker and last less. But you can prevent this if you apply castor oil in your body's warmest points. Let me demonstrate. This is my body. I'm gonna create a highlighted chart. The red areas you see are your body's warmest areas. These warm areas are basically pulse points where your blood vessels run the closest to the skin, making them slightly warmer than other parts of your body. This warmth will help release and expand the fragrance effectively. So, you're gonna grab some of your castor oil and then apply it to these red regions I'm showing you, or the warm points. This means your neck, your shoulders, and your armpits. And then, just apply your cologne or deodorant as you normally would. You see, the castor oil contains aromatic compounds that helps trap the scent you just applied, making your cologne last longer and smell stronger. Number 3, castor oil will eliminate your acne for good. Did you know that the average person spends around $17 a month for face wash? What most don't realize is that you can achieve a same level of effectiveness as a face wash by just using castor oil, which is extremely inexpensive. So, I'm gonna show you how to replace your current skincare routine with just castor oil. Now, every good skincare routine starts with 1 step. A face wash. So you're gonna start by pouring a small amount of castor oil onto your hands and then gently massage it onto your face, targeting the areas that have the most acne. What makes this such a natural great face wash is that it contains natural antibacterial properties, which according to a study published in the National Library of Medicine, this led to a significant decrease in acne size and severity. This is why, for those of you that are serious about getting perfect skin, you shouldn't stop here and you should invest in a device that can enhance skin penetration so you can get those natural antibacterial properties. A silicone facial scrubber. I am a huge proponent of this. I can't remember the last time I washed my face just with my hands. I've been doing this since I was 18. This is one of the core reasons I don't deal with acne breakouts like so many men do. Your next step is to soak a clean washcloth in warm water. You're gonna wanna wring it out and then place it over your face. This will help open up your pores, allowing the castor oil to penetrate even deeper. This step is important because if you want castor oil to be effective at getting clear skin, it has to penetrate deep to get rid of any of that bacteria. This is one of the reasons I'm telling you not to use your hands. Once your pores are open, if you get a silicone brush like this one where the bristles are penetrating inside those open pores, you're gonna start clearing out your face like never before. Not to mention the one that I'm using, which is from PMD, has 7,000 RPM. It also vibrates, which gives you a dual benefit of exfoliating any dead skin while you're deeply cleaning your pores. For those of you that are still using your hands, I don't want you to stay stuck with getting acne. I want you to see results. go ahead and check out the PMD Clean Pro. This is the one that I've trusted my face with for the last 3 years. It's gonna link down below, but I didn't stop there. I got them to give me a massive discount. Mainly because I don't want you to spend a lot of money, but two, I actually want you to get clear skin. Click the link down below, pick it up and try it out. I promise you this, after about 3 days of washing with a silicone scrubber, you're going to notice an immediate difference on the smoothness of your skin. And you know what? I'm not even gonna stop there. I talked to PMD and I was like, yo, I need to hook my guys up with more. If you guys check out this month's offer, we've upped the value on the package. So you're still gonna get the same discount, but on top, you're gonna get a facial toner, a facial cleanser, and a facial moisturizer added into the bundle just to make sure you get as much value as possible. And also, after a month of this, I'm telling you, your skin's gonna be flawless. If you guys wanna check it out, this limited time bundle, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, castor oil will make your eyebrows darker and thicker. You see, enhancing color contrast on your face makes you attractive. I've explained this. Well, another way to do this is by darkening the color of your eyebrows. And I'm gonna show you how to do this with castor oil. I want you to start by placing a tablespoon of castor oil in a bowl. Then, you will add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee grounds. The oil will penetrate the hair follicles, while the coffee will tint and darken your eyebrows. Next, apply the mixture generously to your eyebrows, being careful not to apply too much to your skin as you don't want to tint the skin. Allow that mixture to sit on your eyebrows for 30 minutes and then rinse it off. You will notice an immediate difference in the richness and color of your eyebrows. Plus, you just hydrated the hair on your eyebrows, making you look more attractive. Number 5, use castor oil to make your skin smooth. The easiest way to get smooth skin is to exfoliate it. What most don't understand is that to exfoliate properly, it's a 2-step process. So I'm gonna explain both and show you how you can do it with castor oil to get the smooth skin you've always wanted. You see, the first type of exfoliation is chemical exfoliation. What this does is use products with chemicals that dissolve the top layer of your skin. What's great is that castor oil contains a unique triglyceride compound that is highly effective at removing your dead skin. To use it as an exfoliant, you want to apply it gently onto your skin and gently massage upwards. This will help it remove dead skin from the surface effectively. Now, the second part to exfoliate is mechanical exfoliation, which involves physical exfoliation of the skin that's abrasive enough to remove dead skin cells. Now, a simple way to do this is adding a pinch of salt to your castor oil. And again, for those of you that are serious about skincare and are buying a silicone scrubber like I told you to, you guys can take this even up a notch. So once you have your concoction, you can use the silicone scrubber to enhance your exfoliation experience. You do this just once, bro, I'm telling you, your skin will be soft and flawless. So I'm telling you right now, take advantage of this offer. It's going to expire and it's insanely affordable with a discount, bro. If you guys wanna check out PMD, it'll be linked down below. Now, with a simple $10 bottle of castor oil, you've made your lips more attractive. You've enhanced your fragrance. You've eliminated acne. You've enhanced the color of your eyebrows. And now you've smoothed out any texture on your skin. But there's still 2 more tricks I want you to deploy with castor oil. Takes me to number 6. Use castor oil to get the best sleep of your life. Look, if you want to look your best, you need to sleep well. However, with the constant distraction of social media and everything else, it's difficult to concentrate and actually go to sleep once you're in bed. That's before you've learned about this castor oil trick I'm about to show you. First, I want you to put a little bit of castor oil in each of your fingertips. And then I want you to gently rub your eyelids with that castor oil in an anti-clockwise pattern. Your eyes and body are gonna absorb the oil, increasing circulation, which will help you relax and fall asleep faster. And number 7, use the 3x30 castor oil method to grow more hair. The thickness of a man's hair is a sign of his genetic quality and attractiveness. So here's how to grow more hair and look great by using castor oil in the 3x30 method. To begin, you want a small amount of castor oil in your hand. So if you have short to medium hair, that would be 1 tablespoon. If you have medium to long hair, you can do 2 tablespoons. Then I want you to rub your hands together for about 30 seconds to really warm up the oil. Next, if you have short hair, you can just rub your oil in with the fingertips until it gets to the scalp. If you have longer hair, I want you to part your hair and work the oil all the way to your scalp. Doing this will give your hair a massage, which improves blood circulation to your hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth, while the castor oil is delivering nutrients to your hair follicles. So once you've done this, allow it to sit in your hair for about 30 minutes. You can step in the shower, wash off the castor oil, and notice just how much thicker and softer your hair will feel. I want you to put these 7 castor oil tricks into practice, and then let me know in the comments just how amazing they made you look.